My name is Jason. I'm the owner of SELA Builders LLC, and I specialize on building custom beach houses right here in the Upper Texas coast. Whether you're building an expensive beach house or you're a first-time home builder building your very first house, today we're going to look at 7 easy things that anybody can look for before you start installing sheetrock that can save you lots of time, energy, stress, and money a month or two down the road. This is Texas Coastal Construction. The first thing you want to do is check every single window. Make sure that they open and close easily and that they latch properly. It is a lot easier to make these repairs now than it is when sheetrock and possibly trim is installed. And if they're tight now, they're not going to get any looser. The second thing, and this actually sounds like a no-brainer, but walk through room by room and make sure all of your overhead electrical lights are where you want them and actually installed. I've seen it play out multiple times. You design it on paper and it looks great, but once you're walking through the real thing, it's really easy to miss stuff or to simply change your mind. Because it's a lot easier to make the changes now than it is once sheetrock and paint is done. Just for example, we added 4 overhead lights in this room and 2 overhead lights over our bar area that were simply missed in the plans. The third thing you want to do is check your plumbing lines and make sure they are secured tightly. You should have a clip at minimum every 18 to 24 inches. If they're not secured properly, they will move in your wall and you will hear a continual thump every time you use the water. And this is why you check. This one came unclipped. Problem solved. The fourth step is making sure blocking is installed. This behind me is the blocking used to install our kitchen cabinet uppers. This is common and is rarely ever missed, but there's other places that are less common that can save you huge headaches. You ever have a toilet paper holder fall off? It's because those sheetrock anchors don't work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install blocking where our toilet paper holder is going to go. The same principle that we use for the toilet paper holder also applies for your towel holders. How often have you had a towel holder, use them anchors, and then the weight of the towel just rips them off the wall, and now you have a big hole in your wall? Figure out where they're going to go and install some blocking. It will eliminate that problem in the future. Now this is more of a code thing, but other places that need blocking is around the base of your steps and also on the top of any chase. This is called fire blocking. Fire blocking in the event of a fire helps contain the spread. The fifth thing to check for, and this is a really easy one, is if your HVAC unit or a hot water heater are up in the attic, make sure your framers frame a clear walkway or a path from your attic stair to make sure you have access to both of those units. The last thing you want to do is be up there walking on beams and fall through your ceiling. The sixth thing to check for, and this is another easy one, is to check to see, make sure all of your hangers are installed. Anywhere where a stud meets with another stud and it's not resting on a wall, it's just T-boned in like that, if it spans more than 24 to 36 inches, it needs a hanger. That just ensures long-term stability and it prevents bowing in the future up in your ceiling. The seventh simple tip, and this one you can do with your builder, and this definitely applies to custom homes, is make sure you measure all of your interior door widths and swings and check them against the plans before you order them. This is a great example. This closet here, we had to put in 2 HVAC chases because they couldn't go where they were on the plans. So our door opening changed from a 5.0 down to a 3.0 door. I mean, altogether on this custom build, we had to change 4 door openings. Had I not checked that against the plans, those doors are expensive and they're non-returnable. Plus it holds up trim and your painter. So it is so much easier to wait till after HVAC is installed and your frame punch is done to remeasure and place the order. Well, there you have it. That's 7 simple steps that anybody can do when building a house to make moving from your cover inspection to the finish a heck of a lot easier. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you live on the upper Texas coast or the greater Houston area and you're looking for a home builder, I'll drop a link to my website in the description below. If you found this video interesting, hit that subscribe button, maybe give me a like. And until then, we'll catch you on the next episode of Texas Coastal Construction. Y'all have a blessed day.